Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT prep channel Quantifiers. So in today's session, we are going to discuss one of the good sets on our arrangement. Not exactly a arrangement, it's conditional arrangement. Okay. So like always, before we move forward, the comprehensive overview of the courses we provide. Okay. These are some of the most affordable courses you can find. Okay. So let's see what is the set all about. Set कहता है हमें there are 6 professors A, B, C, D, E, F who teach each one of the subjects: stats, behavioral science, financial accounting, marketing, strategy management, and risk management. Not necessarily in the same order. Each faculty takes 2 classes in the week except on Sunday. So Sunday there is no classes. Rest 6 days each faculty is teaching twice. Right. Okay. So it's possible that A is teaching on Monday only. Okay. Let's see. Only 2 classes can be scheduled on one day. So there are only 2 classes in one day. Perfect. No faculty likes to take 2 classes on one day. So each faculty has to teach on a different day. It does not teach on Monday, Friday. C teach on Tuesday, Saturday. E teach on Thursday, Saturday. So basically, what are the variables? A lot of information is given around the days. So we have days Monday, Tuesday up to Saturday, and then we have some faculties who teach them some subjects. Okay, and okay, every professor has to meet a director of an institute once for a review on a day he is not teaching. So there is also a day for review. So let's say there's a day for review also. One of the days is for review also. So the best way is to make a table and then try to fill in the values. So let's draw a table like this. Okay, just giving you an overview that how do we go about it. Reviews, let's say days, subjects and faculties, right? Okay, let's make the table. So there are 6 professors. ये हमने पढ़ लिया है. Let's move to the relevant information. No faculty. Okay. A does not teach on Monday and Friday. So A ना Monday को आएगा और ना ही Friday को आएगा. C teaches on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So C teaches on Tuesdays and C teaches on Saturday. Every day there will be 2 faculties. Every day there will be 2 subjects, right? Okay. E teaches on Thursdays and Saturdays. E teaches on Thursday and E teaches on Saturday, right? Okay. B teaches on Mondays and Thursdays. So B teaches on Mondays and B teaches on Thursdays. Sorry, B teaches on Mondays and Thursdays. As soon as I have written this, can I say for A there are only 2 places left now? A को तो मैं यहाँ में A को मैं यहाँ भी नहीं रख सकता, यहाँ भी नहीं रख सकता. 2 फैकल्टी आ चुके हैं. यहाँ 2 दिन वो वैसे नहीं आएगा बेचारा. So for E there are only 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, right? So A is also sorted. Okay. Every day professor has to meet the director of the institute once for a review on a day he is not teaching. So let's say if A is teaching on Tuesday and Wednesday, A cannot have a review on a Tuesday and Wednesday, right? Okay. Marketing and behavioral science professors do not like to teach on weekends. So marketing and behavioral science, they do not teach on weekends. Neither they get reviewed. So they also do not get reviewed on these days. So their review will be some other day, right? They also do not have, the stats professor has a review on Thursday and teaches on Saturdays. So stats has a review on Thursday and teaches on Saturday. Stats can be taught by C or E, right? Stats को या C पढ़ाएगा या E पढ़ाएगा. Can I say stats का अगर review Thursday को हो रहा है, if stat is getting reviewed on Thursday, I can say that E cannot teach stats because it is given to us that professor has to meet the director once for a review on the day he is not teaching. Since E is teaching on Thursday, E cannot get reviewed on Thursday. Therefore, if I sort A, B, C, D, E, F, C will get stats. C will get stats, right? Done. So this is also sorted. Marketing professor is the only professor who teaches on consecutive days. So A is the only one who teaches on consecutive days. So A comes here, marketing. right? Okay. Now, and he needs at least 1 day for his review. D is the behavioral science professor. So D teaches behavioral science. Behavioral science is not being taught here, so behavioral science is taught up there. F does not have classes or reviews on consecutive days. So F के बारे में consecutive days पे हमें नहीं दिया हुआ. F cannot teach on consecutive days. Neither he can have review. And there is one more information that F teaches on Mondays. So if F teaches on Mondays, only 2 places are left. So there must be one, and this place is totally empty. He hasn't appeared even once. So D will come here as well as D will come here. And which faculty hasn't come here yet? B has occurred twice. E has occurred. F hasn't occurred twice. So here F will also come. So D is the behavioral science professor. So D comes here. Behavioral science. So D is behavioral science. So marketing and behavioral science are being taught here. Okay. Risk management teacher teaches on Saturdays. So risk management is on Saturdays. Since D is already teaching behavioral science, so F will teach risk management. So F is the risk management. Fine. The strategy management teacher professor teaches on Saturdays. So stats and strategy management. Since stats is already being taught by C, therefore E will teach strategy management. So if E is teaching strategy management and A is already marketing, C is already stats, therefore B must be क्या रहेगा? Financial accounting. So right. So this has somewhat completed my chart. I am left about reviews. Marketing and behavioral science का review यहाँ नहीं आएगा. Means A and D का review यहाँ नहीं आएगा. A and D cannot get reviewed here or here. Okay. So where can D get reviewed? D cannot get reviewed here. D cannot get reviewed here. D cannot get reviewed here. Because on the other 2 days he is teaching, so D can get reviewed here or here. Okay. F has to be alternate. So F cannot get reviewed here. F cannot get reviewed here. F cannot get reviewed here because there has to be a gap between his review and his class. It cannot be. So F has only one option left. That is this option. F is getting reviewed here, and the subject is RM. D is getting reviewed here. The subject, so D is not stressed. Stats is getting reviewed here, so it is C. Okay. C के लिए क्या बचा? C cannot get reviewed here. C cannot get reviewed here. So C will get reviewed here. Okay. E cannot get reviewed here. E cannot get reviewed here. So for E, there are 2 places left. This and this. Okay. Okay. On this also, there are 3 places left for E. Okay. Then what information can we use? C is already on Thursday. Okay. C is already on Thursday. Sorry. C is already on Thursday. C is already on Thursday. So F is sorted here. F has to be sorted here. D and E is F is already sorted. D is already here. A can come here. A cannot come here. A cannot come here. A cannot come on Saturday also because marketing does not get. So A will come here. So A will come here. So this means that now E can have only Monday and Tuesday in this way. He can have only Monday and Tuesday in this way because A will come on Friday as A cannot get reviewed on Saturday. Now, so who is the person left? B is the person left since Monday and Tuesday are already being occupied by D and E. So B will come here. And what does B teaches? B teaches us financial. B teaches us marketing. Right. So this completes my set. I cannot sort D or E further any further. Right. Okay. So let's move to the questions. When is B's weekly review scheduled? So B is on Saturday. Which of the following combinations of this is incorrect? We have already sorted subjects. So E is SM or FA. E is SM. So this combination is definitely false. When is D scheduled? D scheduled, this review cannot be determined because it can be either Monday or Tuesday. And who is FA professor? FA professor is B. None of these. So this completes my set somehow. I hope it helps. And if you like the expression, kindly do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.